The Chinese unmanned, heavy high-altitude aircraft Jiutian, first showcased at the Zhuhai Airshow a year ago, is set to make its first flight in June 2025. It is designed to launch more than 100 drones or small-sized missiles. The new unmanned aerial vehicle has a flight range of 7,000 kilometers, and its altitude ceiling is 15,000 kilometers. Once the People's Liberation Army Air Force achieves air superiority, the Jiutian will unleash a swarm of kamikaze drones to destroy enemy ground and naval forces.